Hello everyone, I am Chandan from KL University. So today I am going to present about Amazon AWF, which is Web Application Firewall. So coming to the home page, uh, protect your web application, right? So in Amazon we are having a built-in web application API which is known as Amazon AWF, which is Web Application Firewall. Now let's go to the what AWF means. So basically AWF protect at the edge location. So if we are having a client in the server, so when client requests to the server, so in between that, for security purpose we are using the AWF. So it is a full featured API integrated with AWS CloudFront, exploits abuse and application DDoS protection, easy to deploy and maintain, pay as you go. So by this point you can get that AWF is a fully automated security system provided by Amazon Web Services. So before going to what AWF means, so I am going to tell about how AWF works. So basically AWS works. This is the integration of CloudFront with AWF. So when here you can able to see that when user, so basically all users are not attackers. So when the user requests to the server, so in between that we will be using some API, that is AWF, by help of the CloudFront. When the attackers start SQL injection like thing, so it won't allow, because it is a fully protected API. So by this diagram you can able to know that, so this AWF protects to our server, in which basically in AWS we can go with the EC2, the electric load balancer, or the S3, or the RDS database item thing. It protects everything. Now coming to the IP reputation list. So here when the users first goes to the AWS CloudFront, so when CloudFront contacts with the AWF, and it contact with the Lambda function, and a CloudWatch is something like it observes how the Lambda is working. So after going to the after hitting all these things, it find if the user only passes the IP, means the source IP matches to our IP list, so automatically it will be injected passed. So when AWS blocks some IP, how AWS block? By using the IP sets. If we are creating some IP sets or in the AWS, so if the IP set doesn't matches from the location, so if some corrupted IP is also coming, it blocks it. So after that, after hitting everything, if everything is okay, then it passes to the web servers and the database. Now coming to the HTTP floats. In the HTTP floats, same. In the case of IP, we are using some HTTP protocols using that. So when the HTTP protocol, so basically attackers started SQL injection. So that may be okay with that, but AWF is a highly secured API in which the HTTP is usually blocked. So now same with the help of CloudFront. When the user hits the CloudFront domain, so automatically the CloudFront hits to the AWF. When AWF started, AWF checks whether the IP coming to the HTTP protocol coming to the AWF is okay or not. Next, it goes to the the required things like Lambda, and then CloudFront Access Bucket, everything to the database. It hits to the database and everything. Thank you.